Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm working with two sets of full boxes from Erin Condren Vertical Cute Cut Craft stickers, the Galaxy theme and the Happy Birthday theme. This week is devoted to my daughter who turned 14. So I have some pictures here from her birthday, as well as a sleepover that her and her sister had. You can see a little bit of her room is Galaxy themed. This is the reason why I'm choosing this particular theme for the week. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue in these pictures and then put the stickers in place. So the theme for the week here is purple and green on the last bit of March. I can't believe we're in April already, but we are going to stick with this purple and blue theme, and we'll see how that works with that, even though this is green here. I've already done my journaling, just capturing some highlights about the celebrations that we had. Definitely different to have a birthday in isolation. We plan to still have a birthday party for her and her friends once it's safe to do so, but we did find lots of fun ways to celebrate the day just by decorating and preparing some yummy food and renting some movies. Since you can't go to the theater right now, they actually have movies out that are for rent that you are able to purchase. I wanted to show you this other thing too here. This here is a sampler. When you make a purchase from Cute Cut Craft, because I'm on their PR team, you're actually eligible to participate in their discount program that they have for the PR people. So if you use code Tony15, you'll receive a little sampler. This was the last month's one, and she's working on a new one for me this month as well. And you get a little sample of different things that that show some of the stickers that she has available in her shop. And you also get 15% off, which is a nice discount. So I'm wondering how that will look there with the pink. Just tying in these. Oops. This is funny. So I've gone ahead and journaled all of the boxes in ahead of time to save some time. Oh, let me see. Let's put this one here then. That's supposed to be a continuation of the trees. And let's put this one up here. So it's really simple to put these layouts together when you're able to print off some photos easily. Now, should that one go here or should it go here? Well, let's put it up here. And then let's go ahead and continue on with the idea of the happy birthday stickers in pink up here. So because Galaxy is her favorite theme, that's why I've chosen it for this week's spread. That's the happy birthday, and we can still do like a package here because it's next to all of her opening her presents. So that's kind of cute there. And then maybe we'll do the birthday cake. We can't actually have balloons for her birthday because she has a latex allergy. So we have done a bunch of, we've done like these like foil balloons, and I've also done some fun signs and things. Now, I've also got some extra ones, and I'll show you what I do when it comes to birthdays. So that was a nice picture of Turner. So this is all the art supplies that she got for her birthday. So I'm going to put her birthday here. And then could even do like the birthday balloon theme there, and a picture of her dog here. This just shows you quickly how I do the things here, and then I'll write in some details about her actual birthday celebrations in this part here. That just gives you a quick little look at how I capture April birthdays. So I always do a highlight of whoever's birthday, and so far so good. May, I actually don't think we have any birthdays for May. Well, there's actually one thing I wanted to add here. So there's a, well, I have these Happy Mail stickers, and I wanted to note this is my Happy Mail package is complete, so that's there. And if we wanted to add a happy birthday or anything, we don't really need to because we have it on there. So that's kind of cute on there. I'll add that one exactly like it is on here, even with those hearts, that cake there. And then it just carries through that theme of the writing, and that this is her birthday week. There we go. Added a little thing there, and we're done. So I like the way that that turned out. I'm going to get a closer look at this fun little rainbow characters, all these unicorn Charlie ones. She has individual sheets, but this gives you a sample, and so these are all in color. So these ones here are the Happy Mail ones I use. This is another bunch of ones that you can do as well, and those cute ones. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.